Yes, this company sent me this multi-use torch, and it shows a couple of things that it can do. It's for out barbecuing, and I'm going to show you how to light your barbecue pit, and you can light your wood in your fire pits. It even says you can use it for searing meat. Now, I thought that was a really good idea, and I plan on trying it. I'm not going to have it right now, but this is going to be a really cool deal. It's shaped like a little gun, but the main thing is it works. So I'm going to show you here. This is the unit right here, and it comes like this. Now I've taken the foam out of the package, but this is the unit right here, and you're going to put your propane right here. I'll show you in a second, but it does have this. This is an extender and everything, just, you know, kind of like a little rifle, and it's got a handle. And I do like the handle for the size of this. So you just slip it right onto there. So that's it. Now the only other thing you got to do, you do have to buy your propane, and that just screws onto here, just like this. If I can get it on straight, there it goes. Just make sure you got it tight. Now right here on top, I'm gonna turn around so you can see it. This is the igniter amount of fuel that you're going to be using, and it does say to use as little as possible just to light it. So I've got it right here. Let's see if it'll light. Right to start with, you may have to do it a couple of times, but to light it, you got a trigger right here, and you just hold that trigger. Now let's open it up a little bit more. All right, so again, all you do is push the trigger to ignite it, and we've got a fire going. Now, right here, it says to use a little gas as possible to ignite it. It may take a couple of times, but then, now I've got it where it's just on low, but I'm gonna show you what this thing does. This is amazing. Now what I'm gonna do is I've got the charcoal right here, and I'm gonna only have it on there probably about 45 seconds and see what happens. All right, I had it on there probably 45 seconds. It's already lit. They're already, see, I was white coal. That's got a heat. I can't get close to it. And I guarantee you, I've been doing this, and those things that take off, there's no lighter fluid. You don't have that bad taste and everything on it. This is great for that. So in the same way, if you have a fire pit, you want to go ahead and start a fire, this is the way to do it. So even as an adult, you may think this might be a little funky, but oh my goodness, this thing works, and it is almost a flamethrower whenever it's going out there. It really does. You can see it, it's already turned all the charcoal white. So if you want one of these, or if you think it's something that you could use, which if you're an outdoorsman, this is perfect. Look into it, go in and get you one.